Hello everyone. So today I am meeting Miss Richa Vahi. She is one of the prominent thought leaders who is helping senior business leaders and entrepreneurs to navigate the complexity of the business. So let's see how she is doing right now. Let's see. Thank you, Richa ma'am, for your
Thank
valuable
you.
time. So, who are you without your company?
Who am I without my company? I think I'm a storyteller by heart. I love listening to people's stories. I love becoming a part of their stories, and I love talking about stories. In fact, even in a normal conversation, if you talk to me, so I really believe in the power of conversations. And anytime, even if I'm talking to a stranger, I'll have so many stories which will come up to my mind, and I'll go on talking. And I think people remember me because of my stories. So I'm a storyteller. कहानीकार हूँ मैं.
Acha. So, but social media glamorizes entrepreneurship.
Absolutely.
What is the one thing that social media doesn't care about, which everyone should be knowing कि entrepreneurship में ये challenges है. Entrepreneurship is not the reality that what we are actually projecting in the camera. So what is the one thing that you want to tell the reality and the truth about this particular journey?
There are lots of ups and downs at so many levels: financial, emotional, psychological. There's so many ups and downs that you have to navigate all by yourself, because as I said earlier, it is your vision. You can see it. Many a times people closest to you do not see it, and they will give you a benchmark. Okay, you're not making money, you should close it. You're not getting enough traction, you should close it. You're not getting enough amount of work, you should close it. So there are so many times people will give you enough reasons to shut down things. But how do you keep at it every single day is what makes you a really successful entrepreneur. So if you ask me, a successful entrepreneur is not just the only one who's getting work, making a lot of money, but internally his mindset has changed into a growth mindset, and he's going to be at it no matter whether the tide favors him or not. So that matters.
And today's generation, if I talk about Gen Zs, millennials, and even Gen X like you, there are founders and there are young entrepreneurs who are looking right now to us and our video. What is the one piece of advice that you want to give it to them?
I think Gen Z is sorted on many levels. I have been to the founders meetings where all the founders are Gen Z, and I have learned a lot from these meetings and meetups. They're very clear on a lot of things. They're very clear that this is what they want to do and this is what they don't want to do. But if I could give one piece of advice which would be useful for everybody, which I've learned from my own life, is that life is not a sprint. It's a marathon.
Absolutely.
And when you're running a marathon, you have to conserve your energy because you know there is a longer distance that you have to traverse. So, don't be like, as they say, don't be like that sparkler which just bursts in one go and then it just fizzes off. Be like a candle. So, to keep on burning, you have to keep on going every day, one after the other. So, I think you should focus on thinking that life is a marathon and you have to keep on going. So, conserve your energy on things which matter. Wear blinders so that all the extra noise and something which is not useful for you is already cut down.
Okay, so me being an entrepreneur, I think from these conversations I got to know why I am feeling lonely at certain times, how I need to cope up with it, and of course what are the noises that keep pulling you on the dreams that you want to achieve. And I believe these are the learnings that I got from you, because you of course are a mentor to many industry leaders right now, and interacting with you made me understand, yes, there are ups and downs, there are challenges, but I am happy to do the sailing in these rough seas, and hopefully someday I find the goal that I am willing to
Absolutely. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. And as Angela Duckworth says in her book Grit, that this is one quality, keeping at it is what differentiates a person who's successful from somebody who's not. That don't give up.
Absolutely.
Don't just give up.
Absolutely. That's so nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for your time.
Thank you.